African one currency. We are talking about unification of Africa. It's strategic. And I know, kudos to our past heroes, Gaddafi and co, that they came up with this, and I'm taking it up. And I'm letting the world understand, and also especially the African leaders. Lack of this will not give us speed. But let me say that this can be overemphasized. So Vision Africa projection is 5 to 10 years from now. That is from now to 10 years, which means between now and 2050, Africa's one currency will be on the globe by the special grace of God. We are really, really into this. So unfortunately, with our devalued currencies, the strength of any nation is in their currency. You and I know that. And if we can control the global market, then we can sit among the world decision makers, let alone become a global superpower. It is very, therefore, important to know this. The new Africa we want, which I can affirmatively call the United Nations of Africa, UNA, today will be achieved by the virtue of strength of our unified socio-economic agreement of African leaders, but much more Africans on African world currency. My dear brother, Vision Africa is setting up an African Economic Intelligence Committee that will embark and develop good reserve architecture on future currency. Just have to let you see the perspective and the visionary plan that we have for Africa.